Hey guys, what's up? College student in the US? Bills killing you? Today, 7 real tips to save $500 every month in 2025. Let's go. 1 coffee, 1 burrito, 1 ride, $33 gone. Multiply by 30, $1,000 wasted. But here's how to stop it. On tip 1, meal prep. Walmart run, $20. Chicken, rice, veggies. Cook Sunday, eat 5 days. Save $300 month. Done. Tip 2, use campus. Free gym, skip Planet Fitness. Free printing, no FedEx. Free laundry, $80 saved easy. Tip 3, student ID magic, Amazon Prime, $7. Spotify plus Hulu, $5.99. Movies half price. Stack, home $60 saved. Tip 4, sell junk. Old books, Bookscouter, $120 last semester. Clothes, Poshmark. 1 weekend, Oranges, $150. Tip 5, ditch Uber. Walk 15 min or $50 used bike. No $12 rides. Save $100. Plus, free workout. Math, 300 plus 80 plus 60 plus 50 plus 100 plus 590. You hit 500 easy. Which tip first? Comment now. Subscribe for part 2, side hustles to make $1,000. Go.